In this particular lesson, which is 17.3, we're going to talk about properties of similar figures. In this particular lesson, we're going to be split into two separate chunks. Questions 1 to 3 will be covered first, and then question 4. Let's go ahead and take a look at questions 1 to 4. 1 to 3. The two figures shown below are similar. The symbol for similarity is this squiggle equal sign. So you can write the similarity statement A, B, C, D is similar to A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. Rectangle ABCD has coordinates -1, 0, -1, 3, 5, 3, and 5, 0. A. Describe a sequence of similarity transformations that maps ABCD to A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. B. Do you get the same image if you perform the similarity transformations in a different order? 2. Each similarity transformation described in item 1 preserves angle measure, so corresponding angles of similar figures are blank. 3. Write the ratios of corresponding side lengths of the pre-image and image. What do you notice about the ratios? All right, for the section to cover questions 1, 2, and 3, I think that this might take you about 8 minutes time. So go ahead and pause your video now and work on questions 1, 2, and 3. All right, so what I did first was I said, well, I can dilate ABCD by a scale factor of 2.5. Again, it's all about multiplying, and I always look at it this way. This side length is 3. The corresponding side length is 7.5. So how do I go from 3 to 7.5? I multiply by 2.5. And then I rotate about my origin 90 degrees counterclockwise because I'm going backwards. It says if we did it in reverse, if we did the rotation and then did the dilation, would we get the same figure? Yes. Each similarity transformation described in item 1 preserves angle measures. Well, if we're preserving angle measures, that means that my angles are staying what type of measures? They're staying equal, which makes them congruent. Mathematically, that's what we call it, congruent. Now, it says find the lengths of corresponding sides. Well, I kind of did this already. The length of this is 3. The length of A prime to B prime is 7.5. Likewise, the length of B to C is 6. The length of B prime to C prime is 15. Well, 3 over 7.5 and 6 over 15 are equivalent ratios. They equal the same amount. On to the next set of questions.